welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yage here, and if you're new, thanks for joining in. Today, what's cooking today? What's cooking? Stay tuned. Today I will be making egusi, aka also known as melon seeds. It is such a lovely sauce to have. You can have it with rice, you can have it with cassava, you can have it on its own with some boiled plantain if you want to just be rich in protein. You can have it however way you really want. You do whatever you want, you know, it's entirely down to you. But it's such a nice, easy dish to make. I love how easy dish. I try to make everything as easy as possible. So always thank me for that. Thanks me later. Anyways, before I go into it at all, don't forget to like. If you like it, comment. If you want to tell me anything, if you've got any ideas for me, and subscribe guys. I can't even say subscribe guys, if you're new to the channel. And if you're not new, don't forget to click on the notification bell. So don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're notified anytime I've got any new video out. Okay, should we get to it? I think we should, so let's get to it. So guys, these are my ingredients. Here we have some locust beans, palm oil, ground crayfish, catfish fillets which are smoked, some diced red onions, some crayfish again which is smoked. We have here some seasoning cubes, melon seeds which is one of the main ingredients we need for this dish, and some ugu leaves, but you can also use spinach. And in this bowl right here, we have some tomatoes, scotch bonnet, bell peppers, garlic, and red onions. Okay, let's get started. as I said, that was a nice, lovely and quick dish to make. Well, I think it's quick anyways. I don't like to slip in the kitchen, I say this all the time. But if you have a different way that you make yours, I would love to hear it. I would love to hear your little tricks. I like to learn new tips because you can only get better by doing that. And yeah, if you do, please comment below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you like it as well. And if you haven't subscribed, come on, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, yeah, over there, over there. Subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, thank you. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll get notified on any new videos that I do put out. Yeah, if there's anything that you want me to make next, comment below. I'll be happy to try and make them for you. And if it's something within my specialty, is that the right way? Forget it. If it's something that I can make, I would love to get on that bandwagon straight away, so let me know. And yeah, have a lovely week and stay tuned and stay sweet.